Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Caesar from Puente Hyundai, and today we're going to be doing a POV drive with the Santa Cruz. It's going to be the SCL model front wheel drive. So why don't you go ahead and get on in with us and let's check it out. All right, everyone, so we're about to take off right now. We're driving the 2022 Santa Cruz. This is going to be the SCL model. So it's going to have a little bit more options than the basic. So you're going to have like your power seating, you're going to have your blind spot protection, and the push start. Everything you see here, it's actually kind of nice to see that we're driving one without the navigation system. So you can kind of see how that looks like. You still have pretty much essentially all the same options and icons, but on a smaller screen. So with Hyundai and their 8-inch displays, which is the standard now, those will be able to handle the wireless CarPlay, so you don't have to use a cord unless you need to charge your phone. Or if you get a Santa Cruz that has the wireless charger, you can just put your phone on the wireless charger, which is also nice. This one is just the standard SCL, so it does not have the wireless charger. All right, and we're actually in the smart drive mode as well. It's one of the newer drive modes that Hyundai has brought out, and that's just gonna be able to adapt to the way you're driving. So if you're not using much power, you're doing city driving, it's gonna do everything kind of like on the normal setting. Then when you're using more power, or when you need more power, it'll automatically boost like the acceleration and the RPMs to give you that better boost that you need, or that constant power that you're going to need while you're driving. But Santa Cruz is pretty nice. It's a 4-cylinder. They do make a 4-cylinder turbo as well on the 2 higher trims than this, and that's actually really fun as well. But this 2.5 liter, it's actually shared with about 4 to 5 other vehicles that Hyundai makes. So it's kind of the norm now that Hyundai has this 2.5 liter, and it's also going to be an 8-speed transmission, which is really nice. So the MPG's, fairly reasonable. So we're going to get down here again to our little section, and we've been doing a lot of donuts to kind of show the customers hopefully the perspective of actually doing a full donut or a U-turn. So crank the wheel, don't let go, don't ease up. Pretty tight still, smooth. Now granted, we are on kind of a flat surface, a little bit of an angle, but not too bad. Perfect, I think that'll be due enough. And we're gonna go back. So with this one, it's a little bit more simplified, and I mean kind of everywhere. Screen-wise, looks like a lot, but compared to the nav system that we offer, it's less. The digital cluster is not available on this Santa Cruz, but you can get it. And we've seen the digital cluster on some of the other cars that we make. So this one, everything is still analog, meaning they still have the dials that still go up. They still have the numbered horsepower and also the RPMs. You still have a little small digital cluster, which you can kind of go through your settings, a little bit of the safety, MPG, everything like that you can kind of see. But like I said, it's not the full digital cluster. But if you're not looking for all that technology, this will be a great fit for you or the family. Santa Cruz is a really nice small truck adventure vehicle. It competes a lot with the Ford Maverick, which is nice, so at least there's something to compare it to. And later on in the future, you're going to start seeing a lot more of these size of truck or utility vehicles, just because even right now gas is pretty expensive. But some people like a truck, but they don't want the size of the truck. So we're going to do a little backwards action. So you see the backup camera on the smaller screen. Now, a lot of the cars nowadays, especially the SUVs, will have an extra function where you can tap the screen and they'll do a bird's eye view. So you are able to get like extremely close to the curb. Obviously this won't hit it because we're in a truck and it's lifted, but you can get pretty close and you can see a little bit of the bumper here. And then we can go back, tap the screen. Now we're still in the back, and now you can see kind of the difference in the angle. And this will stay on until you go about 8 miles per hour. Then it'll shut off and go back to your main screen. And we're back. All right, everyone, thank you for joining us again. Hopefully you got a little bit more information and you got a little bit better view of what the Santa Cruz gives you. So that way, if you're shopping from your couch, you're shopping from your home, shopping from your job, you can go ahead and check out this video. You get a little bit more information on the Santa Cruz. Now, just do us one more thing. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And we'll see you next time here at Puente Hills Hyundai.